Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting and exciting because I am going to show you how can you book a certification for Splunk in only $50. So generally when you book any certification, it asks you about $125 and few taxes and other things. So it will cost around $150. So today I'm going to show you how can you do the basic cost on $50, and on that there will be some additional tax. So it will go around $60. So instead of 150 you need to just pay a $60. Stay tuned with me throughout the because it takes a step-by-step approach to do so. So I'm requesting you not to skip the video till the end so that you will get the maximum benefit from the video. And to get the maximum benefit, you need to watch the video till the end. So let's begin. So if you have already account in Pearson for taking exam for Splunk, so just you need to go to you just log in, search in Google that Pearson Splunk login. So uh, it will give you this result. If users who do not have Pearson login account, so just I request you to create before going to the exam or registering to the exam. Okay, so let's begin. So I'm clicking on this. I have searched for Pearson login. Now it will show you this screen. Then you need to go down. If you have not created any account, just create it and link it through your Splunk account, Splunk ID. I have already created a dummy account, not a dummy account, but I have created one account where I'm going to show you how we can get the certification done in $60. So I'm going to sign in. I'm pausing the video for a moment and log into my account. So I have logged into my account. Now here you can see different options: profile, account sign in, preferences, exam history, view score, reports, and my receipts. So these all options are there. Then you can see on left hand side pre-approved exams. So I have many pre-approved exam. So for this, earlier Splunk has given a prerequisite before you appear for the exam, that you need to do the courses along with it. But now you can directly go and book an exam. But exam is not that easy that you can do it by your own. You need to go to a Splunk training, online training, or you need to do a study hard for getting passed into the exam. So now let's focus on the main topic, that how can you book exam in $60, or rather we can say a discount of 60% on your booking. So now you need to select whichever exam you need to go for. Now I am clicking on core user. Now it will ask whether you need to do at a local test center, at home, or on private access. So generally I prefer for a local test center. Okay, and after that it will ask for the language, and it has in two languages, Japanese and English. So now here you can see is Splunk exam name, SPLK-101 Splunk Core 1001 Splunk Core certified user. And if you want to go to the test policies, you can go through it, and here you can see it's of $125. and whatever options you have selected. Okay, so also you need to go to handbook, means uh, if you want to go to any Splunk education or any other details, you need to click over here and go through. Now if you want to add more than one exam in it, so you can do that as well. Along with this, on the same day, if you want to book uh, one more exam, so you can add it and go to your pre-approved exam list and then add it over here, so it will come directly to this page. Now it will go to location, and there you need to select for your you need to give your pin code, and it will show you the center around you, and you need to select the nearest center where you can go for. And to do that, I am just pausing a video for the security purpose. Now here on right hand side you can see you will be going to see your test center detail that I have blurred it out, and from the date you can select a date on which date you want to attend the exam. So once you do that, you need to select a time for which time you want to uh, appear for the exam. So generally they on weekdays they have opened till 3 p.m. and weekend on 2 p.m. So I am selecting for 3 p.m. Now you can see it here. It has all the details. Now you can see it has a price of $125. It's in dollar. So currently it's showing 125, and in the bottom you can see it is showing $150. So the trick which I am going to show you, or the coupon I am going to show you, it will reduce this price to price to $50, and this total price to $60. So let's go and do checkout. Check all the details are correct or no. Okay, and do checkout. Once you do checkout, it will ask for some policy, some agreements. So if you are okay, just download this and accept. Okay, download and read this document and accept it. Once you accept it, it will show you this screen where you need to click on add voucher or promo code. Okay, on this you need to type study up buttercup study up and buttercup. So once you do that, apply for it, apply, and study up and buttercup, study up and buttercup. Now you need to apply. You can see it over here. You got the discount of 75, and the total cost will be $60, $60 US dollar. Now if you need to go down and fill your card details and everything. Once you do that and click on make payment, so and it will be a billing information will be there in the down, and once you do that, it will give you the confirmation email that your exam has been booked. So, and you can on the selected date you can go and appear for the exam. So the the title for this promo code is Splunk Certify in Place Promotion 2020. Okay, and you can go and enjoy your certification, and happy learning, and thank you. Thanks for watching the video, and hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you.